grumpy, angry especially for small reasons. The teacher looked grumpy today. My brother is grumpy when he's hungry. Dizzy, feeling like you are going to fall or the room is spinning. The heat made me feel dizzy. The medicine made him dizzy. Chubby, a little fat in a cute or soft way. The kid looks chubby and cute. My cat is getting a bit chubby. Icy, very cold or covered with ice. The road is icy, so be careful. She slipped on the icy stairs. Grubby, dirty or messy. These shoes look grubby. I need to wash them. His hands were grubby after playing outside. Cheeky, a little rude or bold in a funny or playful way. The boy gave a cheeky smile. That was a cheeky comment. Jolly, very happy and cheerful. He was in a jolly mood. We had a jolly time at the picnic. Shaggy, having long, messy, or untidy hair or fur. His hair looked shaggy in the morning. The dog has shaggy fur. Appalling, very bad, shocking, or terrible. The weather was appalling yesterday. The room was in an appalling condition. Tricky. Difficult or hard to do or understand. This question is tricky. That puzzle was tricky to solve.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!